Are you interested in herbal methods for nasal and respiratory care? That's great. Whether you're looking to reduce dependence on medications, are pregnant and avoiding drugs, or it's simply a matter of personal philosophy, you're in the right place. History and principles. Since ancient times, humans have known to use herbs as a natural healthcare method. Herbs like peppermint, eucalyptus, and licorice not only have a pleasant aroma but also contain beneficial components for the respiratory tract. They help reduce inflammation, cleanse the respiratory pathways, and enhance the body's immunity. Popular herbs. Peppermint, with its cooling properties and ability to cleanse the respiratory tract, is a top choice for nasal care. Eucalyptus, known for its antibacterial properties, is an essential ingredient in nasal sprays. Licorice, with its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, is commonly used in teas and steam solutions. Preparation and usage methods. These herbs can be processed into nasal sprays, nasal rinse solutions, or nasal drops. Using herbal nasal sprays daily can help cleanse and soothe the nasal mucous membrane, while the Nanocare nasal rinse solution removes dust and germs and also maintains nasal moisture. Benefits and effectiveness. Thanks to their natural ingredients, these products are not only safe but also highly effective in reducing symptoms of nasal-related conditions like allergic rhinitis and nasal congestion. Using herbs is a healthy and natural way to take care of the nose, especially suitable for those who want to avoid using drugs. Warnings and notes. While herbs offer many benefits, not everyone is suited to all types of herbs. Before using any natural method, you should consult a doctor, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a history of allergies to certain herbs. Herbal nasal care is not only a part of folk culture but also a modern and scientific method of maintaining health. With its diversity and effectiveness, herbs are an excellent choice for those who want to take care of their nasal health naturally and safely. Like and subscribe to the channel for more useful information.